Hey everybody, today we're going to go through a quick video on how to unpivot your data in Knime. So in an earlier video we went through how you can pivot your data to show, let's say, yearly values per department, in this case yearly wages per department. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take that data and unpivot it so that we make it tabular again and have a row for each year instead of having a column for each year. So to get started, first you're going to look up the unpivoting node. So if you type unpivot in your node repository, you drag and drop, and this node is pretty straightforward. So you've got these two sections, right? You've got the value columns and then the retain columns. So think about the retain columns as what you want to keep that's already on a row basis. So for example, the department, each category within department is already in a row basis. So this is the column we want to retain, and then you can think of these as the columns that have the values. So if we go back to the configuration of the unpivoting node, we know we want the retained column to be department. So we're going to remove everything other than the department. Everything that's not the department we're going to remove from the retained column. So now the values we said were the years, so we'll remove the department. So the values are going to keep the years, and the sum of the wages for the year of the department, that's the value, and then we retain the department. You hit apply, you hit OK, and then you execute the node. Now we'll get the output where we've got this column names and column values. So now the column names are the names of the column headers when we were looking at the data as crosstab, so you can see the years, and then the column values were the actual values under each column, so the wages for each department for that particular year. So to clean this up a bit, the last thing we do is take a column rename node, connect it, and then we can rename these column names and column values accordingly. So here we're going to say column names the year, and the column value signifies the department wages. Hit apply, hit OK, execute this node, and there we've got the unpivoted data. And just for comparison, I'll show you guys the pivoted data. So pivoted versus unpivoted. So there you go. So now you guys can take your crosstab data and push it back to a tabular form. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video with any of your other analyst friends that could use some tips in Knime. Catch you guys in the next video.